Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast looking to energize you and refocus you to get out there and chase down those dreams and make everything happen for you. Here's your quote for today. Wake up, be awesome, repeat. It's so simple, but why don't more people do it? Wake up, be completely awesome, and do it again after an incredible night's sleep. Waking up hungry for the day and just crushing it will help you reflect on how productive you've been. You'll rest and sleep easy knowing that you have plenty to look back as the results you get each day add up to make something really, truly incredible.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.